Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today's video is a 2-day, like a deep clean of my master bedroom. I started late at night the night before. I got tired, so I needed to just complete it the next day. If you're new here on my channel, you will find lots of cleaning motivation, home decor, and recipes. So if that sounds up your alley, make sure you click that red subscribe button below and then click the bell too so you won't miss any of my uploads. All right, let's get into it.
Over, run back to her, cause I got what I want, closure. Wasted too much heart on you. Wish I learned to use my head. Cause right before I fell for you, I fell right into your bed.
I also did buy some new bedding from Amazon along with the new mattress protector. But when I took the mattress protector out of the package, it had dirt on it. So I'm going to have to return that and figure out, if I'm just going to buy a new one from the same seller or find something else. But yep. And then, of course, once I started putting all the pillows and stuff on the bed, I'm like, man, we need 1, new pillows, and 2, we need a lot more. So that's like, of course, my never-ending list of things that I need to do. I need to pick up some more pillows the next time I go to the store.
You wanted her. You left me hurt. But I won't cry as long as I give me some closure. Who you think you are. You're lucky that I don't want revenge. So can I get some closure? Stay right where you are and don't come closer.
You guys know how much I love listening to music while I'm cleaning. It just gets me into a whole different zone. It lifts my mood. It makes, like the boring stuff way more exciting. So that's what I'm doing. If you see me like dancing a little bit throughout this video, I've got my wireless earbuds in, listening to Pandora. As you can see, my dresser was just covered in junk and random stuff. If you're wondering why I have this school supply bin in here, it's because I had to take it out of the kitchen because the little ones were constantly getting into it. And then if you're following me on Instagram, then you would have probably seen that the other day Farouk had, which is our youngest, our 5-year-old, he literally covered himself in green marker. So from that point on, I decided to keep these school supplies in our room, at least for now. I know I was probably looking crazy right there, but my husband just came home from work, and so I was talking to him for a second.
But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night time, get that good till we act right. So tell me where we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay.
So clearly I moved on to something else without finishing my dresser over there. But trust me, there is a method to my madness, and I'll get back to it later in the video.
Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
Also, who else finds random kid clothes in your room all the time? I know I can't be alone.
Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special.
Okay, so the product that I'm using in the video to clean with is the Method Grapefruit Spray. I really like the scent of it. It's just like fresh and clean. I found that at Target, by the way, if you're looking for it. I feel like it cleans pretty good, but what it don't clean is glass, and it did not clean this TV well. So you'll see me later on go back and clean the TV again, but this time with spray glass cleaner.
If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
The little wire basket that I have on the dresser, I just ended up putting all of the like cords in there, all the charging cords and stuff, because I found only 1 million of them. I just ended up putting them in there just to store them for now. I'll probably figure out a long-term solution at a later date.
You've been looking for someone who brings you breakfast in bed and doesn't mess with your head. No, but you don't answer to no one. Yeah, 'cause you got way too many scars from people tearing you apart. No, you think I let you down, break your heart and play around, but that's not me. No, I will love you right back, and come and hold you whenever you're sad. Yeah, I know you don't wanna get hurt, but you'll have to take my word that I will love you right back, love you right back.
So you guys know how much I like to like spray little words and stuff when I have to like clean glass. I don't know why I do it, I just do. It's kind of like my thing, so I hope you enjoy it too.
But I know that these days it ain't always easy to get what you're looking for. Yeah, you think I let you down, break your heart and play around, but that's not me. No, I will love you right back, and come and hold you whenever you're sad. Yeah, I know you don't wanna get hurt, but you'll have to take my word that I will love you right back.
So the decor on this little tray here that I'm putting on the bed, I actually moved that from like other parts of the house, everything except that little red heart. I had bought that a while back when I bought other Valentine's Day decorations, and I just didn't find a place to put it, so I ended up just putting it there. You guys, this vacuum was incredibly full. I didn't realize how full it was until, I started vacuuming. I'm like, man, it's not really picking up what it's supposed to be picking up. Well, it was like full to the rim. So
Don't wanna get hurt, but you'll have to take my word that I will love you right back, love you right back.
okay, just FYI, probably after this video, like don't quote me 100%, but probably after this video, I'm going to go into my spring cleaning mode. So plenty of content coming your way as far as that goes. But if you want to see something else as well, I always like to know your opinions. So just let me know.
And let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end.
Let's get started on this vanity here.
You gotta go, baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this, I just don't want this moment to end. I'm not leaving without a fight. Now you're always on my mind. Turn around, hold me tight. Turn around and we will be alright. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go?
Who else loves these little like Airwick or Glade plugins? These little things really pack a punch, and they will have your room smelling super good.
I just don't want this, I just don't want this moment to end.
Yeah, not gonna start over again. Too much went down between you and me, and I'm feeling pretty.
So as you can see, I'm back to this TV, cleaning it off because that method, it did absolutely nothing. So
I remember what you said, just a one-time thing. It won't happen no more. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went into deep at first. Take what you need. Tryna guess what happens after this.
all right, so that is all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to click that red subscribe button down below. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I would also appreciate it if you shared my video to give someone else some cleaning motivation. And I will see you guys back here soon in a brand new video.
Wake me up. Oh, I know that you care, but does it really matter? Feeling inside out, not sure where to go.